Watch this video and learn how to draw an ice cream with 3 scoops. Later in the video, Artie sings a song break. And watch to the end because Louie's going to read some poetry. Are you ready, Artie? Are you ready, little artists? It's Artie's show!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, little artist. I'm Artie, and this is Artie's show. Yeah.
Wow, Artie, what a lovely welcome. You're obviously excited.
Yes, I am very excited to make some art today. Oh, yes.
All right, well, let's begin then.
Okay, I'm ready. Woohoo! Yeah.
Welcome, little artists, to Artie's show.
Thank you all for coming. I wonder what Artie is going to draw today.
You'll find out soon, Bunny.
Yeah.
Are you ready, Artie?
Let's get going.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's begin by drawing some eyes right at the top of the page. We're going to draw 2 small oval shapes. It looks a bit like an egg.
Yeah.
Eggs are oval shaped. Let's draw a little black circle right in the middle of the eye. Here's a message from Barry.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you cut up, you can just press play. Wow, I can really sing.
Now let's add the right eye. Another small oval shape with a black circle in the middle. Don't forget the black circle, Artie. That's it. Now let's add some eyebrows. We'll draw a little tear shape above each eye and shade it in black. It doesn't really look like an ice cream yet, but it's looking good. Oh, here comes Bunny.
Hello, Artie. Did you miss me?
Yeah.
You always draw the cutest things. Makes me smile.
Thank you.
Bunny kisses and carrot wishes. Bye.
Bunny kisses.
Oh, Artie, she really likes you.
No.
Let's draw a nice big smiling mouth underneath the eyes. A curve along the top, and then a curve along the bottom. And don't forget the little smile shapes at the sides. Oh yes, and of course, give him some teeth. Add a little smile curve to the left. That's it.
Oh, can we please have a song break?
You want a song break, Artie?
Yeah, a song break.
Well, I suppose we can.
Okay. Yay! Song break! Let's go! yeah! Song break! Song break, song break!
That was a good one, Artie.
Oh, yeah!
Did you enjoy it?
Yeah, really fun!
Oh, that's good. Now let's carry on with the drawing.
Yeah, okay.
Now let's draw a curved line coming out from the left eye, coming down next to the mouth, sort of cheeks. Now we're going to draw a cloud shape underneath. This is going to be the underside of the top scoop of ice cream. Really good work, Artie. Coming up, Louis is going to read us some of his poetry. It's fun. Now let's draw another scoop of ice cream just below the top one. Same thing, a curve, a cloud shape, and then another curve, and we instantly have a second scoop of ice cream. I wish it was that easy in real life.
Yeah.
Me and Artie love ice cream. Can you imagine, Artie, if you could just draw ice cream and it was real and then you could eat it?
Wow.
Yeah, that would be amazing. We'd be drawing ice cream. What's that music, Artie?
Hi. Painty! Oh no, Painty! Not now! Not
Oh, Painty, you've made a big yellow mess everywhere. Ugh, I'll clean that up later, Artie. Let's finish the drawing first. Now Artie's drawing the cone at the bottom of our 3 scoops of ice cream. Just 2 angled lines and a little half circle.
In a supermarket. Could you believe I could... Oh, hello and welcome to Poetry Corner. Today's poem is about something Artie really loves. Ice cream. Okay, here we go. Ice cream, cold and sweet. A yummy, melty, frosty treat. Chocolate, vanilla, or maybe swirl. Topped with sprinkles, give it a whirl. In a cone or in a cup. Scoop it high and eat it up. Ice cream's the best on any day. A chilly delight. Hip hip hooray! Marvellous, dear.
Let's give our ice cream a right hand. We'll draw the arm first, 2 little curved lines. Then let's draw an oval shape at the end. That's it, Artie. And then we'll add a thumb and 3 fingers. Let's count together. There's the thumb. Now 1, 2, 3 fingers. Great job, everyone.
Look at Artie go! Wow!
Now let's do exactly the same, but on the left side. Let's draw the arm first, and then an oval. And should we count the fingers again, everyone? Yes, come on, let's do it. Okay, we'll start with the thumb. Here's the thumb. Then get ready to count 1, 2, 3 fingers. Wow, I think it might be finished, Artie. It's looking really good.
I finished!
I thought you had.
Yeah,
Are you happy with it?
I'm really happy with it.
Oh, good.
It looks great.
It does. Let's colour it in.
What this drawing needs is some color.
I finished!
Great job, Artie.
Yeah,
It looks great.
yeah, looks really good.
Are you pleased with your work?
Very, very
good.
Hey, bye, kids. See you later.
Bye, kids. See you later. Bunny wishes and carrot kisses.
Wow, that was so much fun. Thank you for watching, little artists. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye-bye. Bye.